Hi, I'm Elena. I'm a coastal ecologist and I'm based at the Dickinson Marine Lab. My primary role is to provide environmental guidance to how to compensate or minimize impact on fish and wildlife resources. And this is primarily by reviewing projects from the U.S. Corps of Engineering. I also assist with sea trope response in the Upper Coast during freeze events. I have many projects right now, but I think I can talk about one. We're currently reviewing a beach nourishment project coastwide. I think this is a very important project because it's an effort to cope with sea level rise. We have some areas in the Texas coast where salt marsh or wetlands are shifting to open water. And it's really good that government organizations are trying to prevent this, and we provide environmental guidance for that. I think I really like the diversity of the job. We study and we review a lot of different types of ecosystems. We do, for instance, one day we can be reviewing a restoration project in Port Lavaca at the beach, and the next day we can be in a piney forest, North Texas. So I think that diversity I really like. I really like that we don't have a strict routine. Every day is not the same. Challenges, I think, just deadlines. We review many projects at the same time, and you have to learn and study a lot for each project. And I think that's kind of like the challenge, to meet the deadlines and work through all the projects at the same time. I think two of the site visits that I remember that were really interesting to me. One was both of them were a mitigation bank site visit. One was right next to the Angelina National Forest, and it was they were proposing to restore an area to be a piney forest. So it was really cool to see little piney forest and then how they grow and like being a complete full forest. The other one was a swamp forest in Cyprus. That was a really interesting and cool to see. It was really full of water. It was raining, so it was pretty amazing. I think I remembering myself growing up in the beach and spending hours and hours looking for creatures in the sand and in the water. Also fishing trips with my family. I think that was really important for me, that I grew up being outdoors and having trips with my family. Another thing that really strengthened my passion about biology was starting college and taking biology classes. I have a bachelor's degree in biology and a master's in marine biology with a special focus on coastal ecology. I did my thesis research with black mangroves at Texas with the university. Both of my degrees are from the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley. I truly believe that it's really important to do what you love. Explore all your options, explore many things, and go for those things that you feel more passionate about. I think for me it was really hard to choose one subject and one path to go, because I was interested about many things. Don't be afraid of that. I think that was the reason I got this position. Because of my diverse background, I explored many things. I did a lot of internships and a lot of field trips and volunteered with different organizations that really helped me get this job. And always be prepared. Always be prepared for opportunities, and I think if you do what you love, success will come along.